All right, welcome everybody to the live video today. Today I'll be going over some more information regarding new tax refund updates, and also I'll be doing the giveaway because nobody claimed the prize. You guys, the winner that I announced did not claim the prize, so I'm gonna have to pull a new name today. As you're coming in, make sure you put your questions and comments down in the chat, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, for those of you who watched the replay of this video, make sure also that you drop your comments down, you guys, or any questions you have if you watch the replay of this video, and I definitely get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I do want to thank you all for joining and watching me today. Quick thing that I want to go over with you guys. A lot of you go to my community tab and you see that I have the poll. So I always put the poll up there to help you guys regarding how many people got their refunds or updated. And this week it's still 83% said no on the community tab, and 17% said yes, did they did get updates. Did any of you guys that are watching, did you get any updates regarding your tax refund? I know we're way in August, you guys, and heading on to September, and also headed to a new tax season, you guys. So just let me know if you have any questions or any comments to let me know in the chat. Don't forget, you guys, I have been going over tax planning in my group on Facebook. If you haven't already joined that group, you guys, make sure you join that group on Facebook. You can find it by the name that I have on the screen, Dr. Leonard Likely's Where Is My Tax Refund Group. I have been going over tax planning to help those who need it regarding a lot of you file tax returns yourself during tax season without a tax preparer. So I provide a lot of information for taxpayers in my group. So if you haven't already, you guys join that group, make sure that you do so. Also, don't forget, you guys, I will be giving another giveaway because nobody claimed the prize last week. So a new name will be drawn today. Remember, you still got to abide by all the rules and the guidelines, and you still got to respond under this video. Please do not go under any other social media sites and try to claim the prize like somebody did with Nature Boy. Okay, you got to follow the rules. You must be located in the United States to claim this prize, and you got to abide by all the things I need you to do to be able to claim it, okay? And first off, when I draw the name today, make sure that you comment. And don't forget, you guys, I got a list. I know who commented on them live videos during that time. So you can't fool me. I went by and I know each live video with somebody commenting in the person, okay? So you can't try to claim somebody else's money, okay? So I just want to let you guys know, be aware of that. I will be announcing that in a few minutes. Also, we'll be going over information regarding those who have reduced tax refund and refund delays and notices. A lot of you guys, some of you are telling me you have received 3 notices. Somebody contacted me and said that they had a notice, but they hadn't heard and didn't receive another notice. I'll be talking to you guys regarding that. But again, if you have any questions or comments during this live video, feel free to put it down in the chat. Don't forget, you guys, that I also have my book and planner that's available, you guys, for taxpayers. The planner and how to get a bigger refund legally to help you help you prepare for tax season 2025. This book is available in my store, you guys, for those of you who are interested, and also the planner, you guys, and you can get both for one of them. The planner is paperback, and I always put my website up there, you guys. Those of you who haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I give new tax refund updates every week, okay? Also information about taxes, business, and building wealth. And you do want to watch these. A lot of people think, that I do these live videos and I go over tax planning. And then when you get to tax season 2025, for those of you who've been tuning in and watching and getting this information, you're going to be prepared for tax season 2025, okay? And then a lot of people after tax season and their refunds are held, or they did the wrong thing regarding their tax return, they'll be on my channel. So for those of you who on this journey with me, who are watching me, who are attending the tax planning and the newsletters for absolutely free, who are watching my videos on this channel for absolutely free, you are getting a lot of information. And you guys who are watching know I give more information besides taxes. For those of you who need help with increasing your credit scores, how to get mortgages and loans. A lot of that is over 400 videos, you guys, is on my channel to help you for absolutely free. Also information in tax preparation. Okay, you guys. So I do want to touch on that, and then I'm gonna go over the drawing. Now I'm gonna do the drawing, you guys, right now. And then I'm going to cover some more information regarding the news with the IRS, and hope that this video don't go off. If it does, you guys, make sure that you stay with me, okay? So I'm going to take this off the screen. Okay, I'm going to put the winner up here when I draw the name. I'm going to make sure I put the winner's name up there when I draw it, and to let y'all know who the winner is. Okay. All right. I was gonna put the music on, you guys. Well, again, I can't put some music on, but every time I put the music that belongs to me, and I'm on Facebook and LinkedIn, they're trying to say there's somebody else's music, which is not true at all. So I always, let me tell you, I put the rock music on. How about that? And this comes from StreamYard. So I hope you guys can hear it. Is it coming on? I can't hear it, but anyway. All right. Let's go on with it. I'm going to shake it up real good, you guys, for everybody. Congratulations to whoever it is. Okay, and now I always put it on my head. All right. I take it over my head. I got one. Okay. All right. Let me cut this off in case y'all can hear it and I can't. Okay. Let's see who the winner is. Okay. A new winner, you guys. Congratulations to this person. Let me put it down in the banner. And when I do, make sure you comment under this live video. You do have 3 days to claim this. And people said 3 days, woo, that's a long time. But the other person never did claim that gift card. You have up to 3 to 4 weeks to receive it. And the reason why is I mailed it out early for Nature Boy, because I have to verify things after you claim it within 3 days. And then I did his card, and it was the post office. It took up to a month. So I say up to a month, you guys, with the postal service. I don't know what be going on, but I do have everything tracking, certification, so I know when you receive it, you guys. I got everything attached to this, and I do everything for a reason. So let me go ahead and put the winner. I know y'all waiting. So I'm gonna put his or her channel name on there. And I can always go back to this. And I want to make sure, I have to check to make sure I have the right one, but I think I do. The winner of this $50 gift card is, let me see if I put it in there right. Jaquel, I think I'm putting it, Jaquel Hudson, 9296. That's the YouTube channel. Congratulations to Jaquel Hudson. And I'm hoping I'm saying it right, to he or she, whoever it is. Congratulations. You have 3 days, up to 3 days to claim this prize under this video, you guys. And let me know. And then I will give you instructions of what to do. Once you do it, I'm going to have to verify issue, and then you receive it within up to a month. Last time was up to 2 weeks, you guys, but the person never did. The person never did respond on the last video. And then when Nature Boy, who was the first one of the $50 gift card, you guys, when I gave his out, it took a month, and it was the postal service. So it's not on me. I make sure that you have tracking. I make sure that you receive it. I know where it's going and who it's going to. And that's why I give all these instructions. A lot of people was telling me, why don't I do one that's not a card? It's because I want people in the United States to receive it. I want to know where it's going. And then some people be trying to claim people prizes if you don't do it that way. So that's the reason that I do that way. And congratulations again to the $50 gift card winner. Make sure you comment in the chat or comment under the video to claim this prize, okay? And again, I have all the information. I can always go back to the video and also know your channel. Some people last time with Nature Boy, again, somebody tried to reach out on Instagram, create a whole channel with his name on it. Don't do that, you guys. Don't do that. Okay, because I do stuff for a reason. All right, getting back to congratulations again to the winner of this $50 gift card. Again, you got to abide by all the rules, guidelines, you guys, and you got to make sure you're located in the United States and have a United States address. This card is a card. It's not an e-card. I'm going to be clear on that. So again, congratulations to the winner. Make sure you come in on this video to claim your prize. Now, what I'm going to do is, and I pray it works, you guys, I'm going to screen share and talk about what's new with refunds. If you have any questions, comments, you can drop them down in this live video, okay? All right. What I do want to go over for a lot of you guys. Again, the winner of the $50 gift card is the person that I got on the screen. I'm going to leave it up there to maybe give him a chance or her a chance to claim the prize, okay? All right. Now, you see on your screen, I always screen share. We got Hurricane Debbie. Let me look up here. Relief expanded to all of Vermont. That's all the way to February 2025. So that's why I'm sharing with you guys this security summit release, new written information, security plan. This for tax pros. Don't forget, for those of you who are tax pros, I also got a tax Pro Boss planner for you guys. I also got merch, which is clothing, cups, and all that. I also got a book that help those who want to become new tax preparers. Also, for those of you who have been reaching out to me and asking me they want to join my team, make sure you send the resume. This is the Tax Pro Boss planner. I have books. I have caps, I have ebooks. It's all available in my e-store, and also this is available on Amazon. So anybody who want to look me up on Amazon or on Google to find me, I am available on there as well. So for those of you who wanted my books or anything, it's located in the store and on Amazon. For those of you who sign up for the new newsletter, don't forget to sign up for the new newsletter. All you have to do, you guys, is this link right here that I'm putting on the screen. I'm getting ready to enlarge the IRS site. Okay. The newsletter is free. My group is free. For those who need help with tax preparation, for those of you who file your taxes yourself, I'm helping people for free in my group. All you got to do is to sign up for the Facebook group, answer a few questions, and also sign up for the newsletter, and you'll get information in your inbox, okay? So you got IRS provides relief also for Minnesota victims of severe storms. They have until February 2025 also to file. That's 2023 returns. If you haven't already filed and you live in these states, they're giving you more time. Also, don't forget, for those of you who need help and you've been waiting on your tax refund, make sure that you go to those taxpayer location centers that I've been telling you guys for a while. They are still available. A lot of you thought that they ended in May. No, all you got to do is book appointments. Go to irs.gov. Go to the taxpayer assistance centers on irs.gov. Find the one that's nearest you and go to that office to get help regarding what is going on with your tax refund. Some of you have been waiting 60 days, 120 days, and some people told me 180 days. If you've been waiting for that long, I definitely will reach out for help. I would definitely try to go to one of those taxpayer centers, the one that's near me. And again, all the information is on irs.gov. You go in, you find the one that's closest to you. I did a video on this. You can go to my playlist and my live videos. I gave you steps with that. I gave you steps with congressmen. I gave you steps for the taxpayer advocate. Listen, you guys, I've been giving you guys a lot of information to help you. That a lot of tax preparers, there's not your tax preparer, because a lot of y'all did your own tax return, right? So I'm giving you a lot of information. That's why I give a lot of videos on my channel if you would just watch them. Some people have short attention spans, and I get it, and you're busy. You're going to jobs, your mothers, you're going to work. When you have time, if you're trying to get help regarding the taxpayer advocate, you're trying to get help with how to do the congressman, I gave all steps. For those of you who need help with, I need a higher credit score. Listen, you guys, I raised my credit score up to about 200, over 200 points. My credit is good. My credit is good now. So I had bad credit, and I'm sharing to help people for free on my channel. All you gotta do is do the video. And also leading you to, when you get a good credit, some of you want the mortgages and the new homes and the cars. I give all the information on there, but you don't stay long enough to watch the video. And that's the problem. If you watch the videos, even though they're 20 minutes, 30 minutes, I give a lot of information, even on my live videos, that benefit a lot of people. And that's why they reach out to me and they tell me, those who have purchased my ebooks, those who have purchased the planners, and also those who are my students, you guys. And now I'm having actually the opportunity in September to help college students, you guys. That is huge for me, but I like helping people. But you got to make sure that you are disciplined enough to sit down and take in the information and listen, you guys, and then it will help benefit you for free. I have information for free that you will be surprised with these videos that can help you right at home, but you're not disciplined enough to sit and watch the video long enough. And I get a lot. Some of you are at work. Some of you have children. Some of you have busy lives. But when you have free time, all you have to do is watch those videos, and I give the steps. And then you can even comment, and I get back to you that helping you regarding it. Tax season 2025 is coming quickly, less than 5 months. You should be preparing so that some of you who experienced the freezes, the holes, mistakes with tax returns because y'all you had to amend them, you guys. All that help and giving for tax planning is preparing you guys for that. So I just wanted you guys to know that, all right? All right, let me get back to enlarging my screen. I had to talk to you for a little while. Let me go back to the IRS site because I make sure I give this information. It's still over 1 million tax returns. The IRS is still, those of you who are in processing, those of you who are having amended returns, they are still having over 1 million tax returns of 2023. And some of them, they're still working on 2022 and also amended returns. You guys, I also shared a video on that as well. They're moving forward also for those of you who had the employee retention credit claims. You guys, they're going to be working on that for those of you who are eligible. Now, for those of you who claim credits that you shouldn't have claimed, that's why a lot of you guys are probably held up because you claim certain credits, or your tax preparer claimed a few credit, the employee retention credit. Some of you may have had something going on, even though you had the child tax credit regarding your children. Sometimes there's a lot of fraud to be going on. A lot of people said, I did a simple return. Miss Likely, why is it taking so long? Sometimes a simple error. Even though you submitted your information, I had people listen and say that they gave me they sent the IRS information a long time ago, and they said, why does it take so long? They got to make sure there's no fraud. It's a lot of people doing stuff, you guys, and this is no excuse, because a lot of you are arguing on in my comments saying that's no excuse, but because there's a lot of fraud and people doing things and claiming the energy credits, the fuel credits, the employee retention credits, and other stuff that they're not eligible for. It's causing you guys, some of you are having to wait a long time because the IRS agents are having to spend time on correcting a lot of these returns, okay? And so they put them in a pile when it's an error, basically, that they have to correct, and they're going to move on to those who don't have any errors in their returns. And there's still, by the way, there's still people filing tax returns, even though it's August. They file all the way to October, so it's steadily piling up. And so as more taxpayers are filing tax returns, you guys, guess what's happening? Yours is getting pushed aside, and then they'll come back to those who they have to adjust the reduced refunds. For those of you talking about your refund were reduced, they should send you a letter. Listen, they should send you a letter in the mail telling you why it's reduced. And I told you guys a lot of the reason why it's reduced is, number one, you have a tax offset. Okay, if you don't have that tax offset, you claim some credits or you did something on your tax return wrong that you're not eligible to get a certain amount of money. So they had to adjust your return and you got less money. Okay, but know if you have a tax offset for child support, for different things that they list on IRS.gov, yes, it'll be taken. Now, I told you guys, if you are in hardship, and I've been telling people to help this tax season and then last tax season too, reach out to the taxpayer advocate if you're in hardship and you need your money. But understand, you gotta have proof, you guys, of that hardship. You just can't say I'm in hardship. They gotta see documents. So have statements and documents proving that, look, I don't have any money right now, I'm going through a difficult time right now, here's my information. And even with your congressman, when you go to that congressman website, they're going to want information. They're going to want your social security number because they're speaking on your behalf. It's like they're speaking to the IRS and they're you, but they're not you, but they're speaking on your behalf because they know more than you to talk to the IRS regarding what's going on with your tax return. Now, for those of you who are saying, my congressman didn't do nothing for me, you guys, if they didn't reach to you, you should be reaching to them. You should be finding their numbers, reaching and finding out what's going on. You should be finding their numbers to their office and say, look, I submitted for you guys to help me regarding my return months ago, and you didn't respond. Okay? And they will try to help you. Some of them, I'm hoping they will, you guys. And I know some of them can be difficult, just like IRS agents can be difficult. But always have a good attitude. When you have a good attitude regarding talking to these IRS agents, talking to your congressman, talking to different people, and not getting rude with them, even though some of them might be rude with you, you guys, but having a good positive attitude sometimes would change stuff, and some people would get help quick. Somebody commented that they had problems, they had been waiting months on their return. Okay, they talked to a different agent, IRS agent. This agent was able to help them because they had a good attitude. That person commented and told me that they were very nice and that they were linked up with a good agent at that time. That person helped them immediately, and I don't know why that some of them can adjust things quickly on their end, but that person got help. So when you go into these, I know some of you, a lot of you are frustrated because because of the economy, can't pay your bills. Some of you can't pay rent, and you need the money because you need food on your table. You guys, I get it, but try to put that aside while you're talking to these IRS agents and just have a good, explain the situation, have a good attitude, and sometimes it will help. It will help. No, you go in there with an attitude, you guys, that is not good because they're trying to help you and you get an attitude, that's not going to work. So I try to encourage you guys and tell you things that may help you, and a lot of people have benefited from what I'm telling you. Okay? All right. Let's see. I'm trying to see any more information. Okay, for those of you who are new to me, by the way, because some of you are just coming in and people refer you to me. A lot of people saying they've been telling people. If you did the identity verification. Now we know at the beginning of tax season it was up to 9 weeks. If some of you have just started filing, you telling me, and I'm like, wow, after tax season, some people still filing. It's still up to 9 weeks. For those of you who have been waiting since January and February and March, again, reach out to the taxpayer advocate if you can. If they don't help you, go to your congressman, you guys, and try to get help regarding that. Some of you are your notices. If you have not received your notice yet, some of you say my notice expired. Let me tell you what's going to probably happen, okay? If your notice expired, and a lot of you said, well, I don't have a letter. They didn't send me another letter. But, well, if it expired, you guys, I will be checking my bank account to see if it updates for me. And also, sometimes, even though you might not have received if you receive that 60-day notice and you haven't received another one yet, sometimes it be on the way. You got another 60-day notice. But do not panic, you guys, if you get another notice, because it could be up to 60 days. It's not the full 60-day wait. You guys, I told you, somebody on my channel, I have talked to so many taxpayers this year. Thousands seem like it on my channel because it's real busy during the beginning of tax season. I have so many comments. A lot of people have told me that they thought it was going to be the full 60 days. They got the letter, and then when they got the letter, the money was in their bank account. So that's why I tell you guys to consistently check your bank account anyway, okay? Check it to see. Okay, if you have any more questions and comments, make sure you drop them down below this video. And also, once again, I want to tell the winner, congratulations, and make sure that you reach out. Comment below this live video on my YouTube channel so I can give you instructions on how to claim your $50 gift card, okay? Because somebody else did not claim it. You guys, you can't find, a lot of you have been asking to do tax preparation with me. I gave you a list, you guys, of what I help people with. You got access to me on this YouTube channel. When you complete tax preparation with me, you have the live portal, you have my email, you have my phone. You guys, you got my social media pages. You got my newsletter. You got my group. If you were in the free group, you guys, the newsletter is free as well. You got so much access to me, you guys. And also, don't forget, the holiday loans is coming up in November. For those of you who were with me last tax season, those are the holiday loans people. Preseason loans start January the 2nd. And we know the refund advance start at the beginning of whenever the IRS announces the new tax season, okay? Usually be like what, the 23rd, 24th. That's what they was doing this year and last year, okay? Usually be around January the 20 something, you guys. So I'm just giving you all the information to help you to prepare. This is the number for folks who asking me about contacting the IRS. I'm putting that on the screen. Also amended returns here, and you can also go to irs.gov, you guys. Tax offset. Listen, one more thing I covered in my group for those of you who didn't join me in my group. A lot of you were talking about adjusting your withholding. Guess what I talked about for absolutely free? Adjusting your withholdings. But you guys, if you want this information, you got to be willing to step out your comfort zone and try to attend some of these free things that I'm giving to you guys, the free group, the free newsletter where I give to people in their inbox free information to them, the videos, the free downloads, because I do give now, I'm giving a free download for those of you who sign up for the free newsletter. You get a free download to help you regarding to prepare also. So I'm giving all this information to you guys to help you. So I'm just letting you know, and adjusting your withholdings, you guys, a lot of you, if you haven't already did it, you need to start working on it. You guys, the ones who need it. Not everybody needs to adjust their withholdings, but you feel like that you owe every tax season, adjust your withholdings. You guys, and a lot of people say, well, they take a lot of money from me already. Well, if you start you guys educating yourself about taxes, you'll learn why they take so much money from you. You gotta understand credits, deductions, write-off, who benefits from all of these things, who pay and save the most in taxes. Even though they make a lot of money, they still don't pay that much on taxes, you guys. When you educate yourself on that and how to build wealth, when you're building wealth, know if I make $1 million, I want to keep $1 million, and a lot of rich people too. Now, if you make $1 million and most of it go to taxes, you didn't make $1 million. So that's why taxes is definitely important, even with building wealth, you guys. Okay, you need to understand this. Financial literacy is, yes, you gotta get this. Okay, educate yourself, discipline yourself, be patient, get educated, and then it'll help you during tax season. But a lot of taxpayers, they're betting that you don't be educated. They're betting that you don't understand the tax code and all that is too complicated for you and all that. Okay? But if you got somebody, a good tax preparer, tax professional, or somebody that knows the tax laws and knows the credits and understand this, you guys, it will benefit you. And you can get it yourself right from your own home, but you got to be disciplined enough to listen to somebody who has experience and is helping you, and not saying, I got to do this all the time, you guys. So I'm just letting you guys know that, okay? But for those of you who need help with employee withholdings, it's in my group. I did a video the other day, it's over 20 minutes in that group, and it was just for my group members. It was not on by Grace Tax Services LLC. It was not on my YouTube channel. That video is only in the group. This group is private, absolutely free. You go there, you're going to get more videos than anybody else. Now, those who join the membership during tax season, I'm going to be dropping videos that nobody on this channel can be able to see, because those are the people who want to go on another level when you having to pay for different things with me, okay? You want to do a little bit more. So the memberships, I'm going to be dropping more videos for you that nobody else going to get for free. So I just want you to be aware of all the information that I steadily be dropping, and any new information that I give, I provide to you to the best of my ability, okay? If you have any questions, again, make sure you drop them down below this video. I just have to have a little discussion with you guys. And also, again, congratulations to the winner, okay? Y'all be blessed and have a great day.